Hi, I'm Corneliu from OneSaas, and in the spirit of hackathon, came here and within about 20-something hours tried to code the Salesforce app. Excluding coffee breaks, that was about 30 hours, which was pretty cool. It's a very simple application like Salesforce. What we try to make different from all the Salesforce, we turn an opportunity into an invoice. We try to actually understand that most of the people have an opportunity as the real deal. Like, I'm going to get the opportunity to invoice QBO for this conference. And that might be a $100,000 opportunity. Nobody's going to send you an invoice of $100,000. And I don't think anybody can pull out a credit card to pay for $100,000. So what we try to do different is to be the possibility to split opportunities into multiple invoices. For example, as the project goes on, you have the big opportunity, and you piecemeal sides of that opportunity into invoices. They get sent out, and potentially you can take the credit card payment. So this was all built here, and hopefully it's going to work correctly. Let's go in Salesforce. We have a simple account. We should have done QBO conference. We're going to start a new opportunity, and I'm going to sell something pretty valuable, maybe something that my credit card doesn't accept to take. So let's go opportunity name, conference. I'm going to save that. And we're going to try to add, we need a date. And it's a value proposition because we want to make money out of it. Come on, Salesforce. We're going to add some products to this because that's what we have to sell. And we're going to take some really high expensive products like $100,000 generators just in case the power goes off here. And where's the save button? We sell one of those and 3 of the little generators for the car parks. Now, nobody's going to pay such an invoice. At least I don't know if people can pay such an invoice. So what we actually want to do is to create an invoice and split this into smaller parts. Most probably, I'm going to say, hey, I want a deposit for this, that you're going to give me 50% of the first part, 0.5, and you want to pay me one of the 2 generators. I want to save and send them to my QuickBooks Online. Once I have the invoice, I can quite easily then go and apply a payment using the QBO Payments API, which was quite interesting to integrate. Pay for the invoice. Come on, pay for the invoice. We're going to put an amount, say, hey, we can't pay $50,000, but we're going to pay $10,000, put the credit card information, and process the payment. All of that information is already in QBO, the invoice, the payment, and everything else. Thank you. Questions?
How much had you been working on this for just splitting invoices in Salesforce prior to this, not necessarily related to QBO?
Just here.
Okay.
We pretty much were making bets with my partner on the airplane coming from Sydney a few days ago about what APIs QBO is going to release, and we're brainstorming what we could do different. So the second they released the payments API, we said, hi, let's try to make this, because I don't think anybody in Salesforce, big accounts, really make an opportunity to an invoice. You generally piecemeal, and that's easier for customers to use.
So does allowing for percentages provide a solution for progress billing?
Yes. Yes, you can do percentages, and you can do amounts, or you can...
If you're going to have separate invoices, you're not going to have a partially paid invoice?
The invoice in QuickBooks actually is like 0.5 out of your order. So the quantity is used as a percentage.
Mm-hmm. But the actual invoice, so you invoice 50%, that comes over as an invoice. Then when you invoice the other 50%, so they're separate, it's not one invoice.
You create multiple invoices related to that opportunity. The opportunity never ends up in QuickBooks. But your separate invoices, as you generate them, they appear with the full amount.
Okay.
Thank you.